Hello again, welcome back to the Code Programs channel. This is Simon Greenhouse, and in this video we're going to learn how to start a dropshipping business with zero money in 5 easy steps. So let's get into it. So in this video, you're going to learn how to research a niche, how to find trending products. I teach a system that shows you how to sell high-priced products with high profit margins, and I'm going to cover a bit of that in this video. And then we're also going to look at how to build a website, and we're going to look at how to get 100% free buyer traffic, and you're going to get access to a 100% free course that is going to be able to show this entire system in much greater detail than I can do in this video. So again, let's jump right in. So one thing I get asked quite a lot is, how much money does it cost to get started in dropshipping? Well, obviously, if you've got a budget, some people choose to use Shopify, which costs, say like $65 a month or whatever the price is these days. You've got ad budgets. If you've got money to invest in graphic designers, all that kind of stuff, then obviously you're gonna get you're gonna get a bit of a better head start if you've got money to invest. However, as we're going to see in this video, it is possible to get started with absolutely zero money. Anyone can do it from any country in the world. One section of it is based for people that are in the USA, but the entire system model as a whole works for anyone, anywhere with zero money. Now, anybody who's followed any of my programs or anything in the past and any of my teachings knows that the main thing that I teach is to use local based suppliers, and I teach to stay away from Aliexpress. However, in this video, starting with zero money, I am going to show you how to use Aliexpress, but I'm going to teach you how to use it in a very different way than you will have seen before. And it's still using local based suppliers, but you use Aliexpress in a very different way. And I'm going to show you that in this video now. So step 1, choosing a niche or finding trending products on Aliexpress. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're thinking about a niche, obviously, if it's a niche that you're passionate about, that's even better. However, looking for some ideas, going to a website, if you're in the UK, magazine.co.uk. If you're in the US, magazines.com. Basically, the idea is, if there's a magazine about it, then it's a niche. There's plenty of people that are interested in that particular topic. So, it could be anything. Let's say, for example, we go magazines for men, we go for sport, and then you're going to find all different kinds of sports. So you've got golf, you've got football, you've got cycling. The list goes on and on. Basically, you just search through here. If it's something that you're passionate about yourself, you're going to find it very easy to talk about. So, for example, let's just say, for this example, we're going to go something in the health and fitness niche, right? So we're going to build a health and fitness niche website. Then you want to go to Google and you want to look for the Aliexpress dropshipping center. Okay, and then this first one here, you want to click on this, and I'm obviously already in, but you just want to sign in. So when you sign in, you will end up coming to something like a page like this, and then you go here. We will want to find trending products. So if we go find products, access now. So it looks like I'm going to have to actually sign in. Okay, so we're in. So as I said, we are looking for products, ideally, with a higher price. That's the first thing. Ships to United States. So minimum price, let's just go over 100 for now. But obviously, the higher the price, the better. But I want to show you some examples. And obviously, before I made this video, I've already looked at some examples as well. We look through, and then when I was looking through, I found these walking machines. So it's health and fitness niche. They are, if you go into Aliexpress, if we go, let's up the price a little bit, and we'll go 200. I found them by searching through, and let's say if we go product category, we go sports and entertainment. There we go. So this is, had 19 orders. It's basically a trending product. There's a lot of people buying these. The retailing on AliExpress for $319. Okay, so then you'd go to just the basic AliExpress, and you can see there's the price ranges, different suppliers, but on here it's $499. But you know, you can search around and you can get the prices like this one here. So this one here, $319. And then what you then want to do is you want to go to Amazon and you want to double check that you're definitely able to make a profit on that. So we look for similar products selling on Amazon and compare the price. So if we go to Amazon and we look for walking machines and we go down here, we keep going, and then we see this product here is this product here. So you can see on AliExpress, it's a trending product. A lot of people are buying them, and it's selling for $319. Yeah, on Amazon, people are selling them, and they've made sales there for $849. So there's plenty of profit margin to be made there. Step 2. Then we need to use AliExpress to filter the products by suppliers that ship products from within the USA. So you're not looking at 30, 45 day shipping times. You're talking 2-3 day shipping times. This is what makes this system totally different from anything else. Now, the other thing you do is when you're on Amazon, on AliExpress, you change ship to United States. And then when you are looking through your products, so let's just say any products, you want to go for, you want to make sure that products ship from the United States. So let's just use anything as an example. We'll just use this as an example. It doesn't matter. It's the setting. So you take your setting up there, and then ships from United States. So you then want to make sure that the product that you find that is trending on AliExpress, and you can make a profit comparing it to prices on Amazon, and then that the product can ship from United States. So then you're talking days for the product to be delivered rather than weeks for the product to be delivered from China. That's the big difference here with this system compared to everything else that you see out there. 3. Build a website. You can build a website for free or close to free with very, very cheap hosting from HostGator. And you build a website with WordPress, and we use WooCommerce. So you integrate that with your PayPal and your Stripe. In this video, I'm not going to go into great detail on setting up the website. That's something that would be covered in a course, which you could get, or you could research that stuff yourself. I'm teaching you the principle, the outlines here. But you want a WordPress-based website using WooCommerce, because that's going to cost you zero or close to zero as possible, maybe a couple of dollars per month just for hosting. Okay, so here we are over in a test store that we use for testing out and doing our training programs and that kind of stuff. It's a simple, straightforward WordPress website on very basic hosting, and it actually uses a store builder that comes with a paid program that we provide. However, there are themes available which are just basic e-commerce themes, and then you want to use WooCommerce, And WooCommerce is the plugin which will process all of your orders. So you hook up PayPal, Stripe, that kind of stuff, and that's how you will be able to process all your orders. And then the stores will look like this, with some basic e-commerce theme. The homepage of the website will look like this. As I said, this is our store builder that comes with our main paid program. However, you can simply use WooCommerce to set up your payments, take your payment details, and then when you make a sale, you go back to Aliexpress and you place that order, and you have that USA-based supplier ship that product to your USA-based customer. So if you were to go into appearance and themes, I'll just show you some of the example themes that come with our paid program, but then I'll also show you just some of the free ones as well. So these are we have dozens and dozens and dozens that we provide with our paid program. But if you were to just go to themes, some of these are available for free. So you just simply search for e-commerce, or you'd look for some. There'll be some names. Some of the ones that are actually in these starter templates are actually just free themes. So this organic store here, for example, you can get those just from the WordPress theme inventory. So that's how you would set up a store. You just need the hosting, which would cost a couple of dollars per month. You can use WooCommerce, which is free, and you can get your products from Aliexpress. Step 4. Then you want to register all of the products on your website with the Google Merchant Center. Okay, this is going to be very brief because I'm not going to walk you through the entire setup of Merchant Center. There's plenty of documentation on Google, but if you were to just type in Merchant Center into Google, so this is the Google Merchant Center, you would sign up, you would basically take your product details from your website. You'd get them, but there's also plugins that you can use that will link to the Merchant Center, and it basically just submits your products to Google in such a way that it allows them to display to display them. So that basically covers step 4. Step 5. Now this is where this system blows apart anything else that you're going to find on YouTube. You are going to be able to get 100% free buyer traffic if you're based in the USA using Google Shopping Ads. Google Shopping Ads are now free. So we're going to look at that in detail as well. Now, this is where the real magic of this happens. Now, since the pandemic started, part of the process for Google's sort of package to help local businesses based in the USA was they now allow free Google shopping listings. So if you go to here, support, so you can now show your products in free product listings on the Google Shopping tab. So you can get free traffic from Google. So let's say, for example, we were talking about the walking machine. You submit your products to the Merchant Center as we looked at in step 4, and you can see that these are the exact same products. This one here, $606. You know that we saw it on Aliexpress for $319, and they're selling right now on Google Shopping for $606, and those adverts are entirely free. So there you go. You've got everything you would need. You've got I've shown you the niche research. I've shown you how to find hot trending products. I've shown you how to build a website for just the cost of a couple of dollars a month hosting. You can make big profit margins on really high quality products that are shipped in the USA, that don't take weeks to get there, and they are displayed right at the top of Google and also on the shopping tab in here for free. There you go. That is, to me, is probably the best way of anyone to be able to get started in dropshipping in 2020 and 2021 for next to nothing. So that's it. That's the system. That's the 5 steps to get started in dropshipping in 2020 with zero money, maybe a couple of dollars for your hosting. And don't forget, you can get access to my 100% free course, which is going to show you this system in much greater detail, and the link will be in the description of this. Please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Thanks a lot. Look out for the next video. As I said, we're going to be looking at 2 to 3 videos every single week. I'd love to see you again on the next one. Thanks a lot. Take care.